Okay, so I wanted to show you a little bit what I'm talking about in my trading system, actually revealing my trading system for the first time. Okay, so remember what we talked about before. We want to lose in Forex. We want to lose money in Forex, okay? Keep remember this all the time. Our mindset need to be changed. We want to lose, okay? So I'll show you what I'm doing and I try to explain because it's super simple. You don't have to analyze anything, you don't have to think about anything, you don't have to do anything special. All you have to do is to put in your mind, I want to lose money. Here is an opportunity right now. I'm selling the market, okay, and I'm putting my stop loss at this EMA. I will go through in a separate video about the EMAs. The setup is very very common and very simple, and you probably know what I'm doing. But let's talk right now about the trading system. So we want to lose money. I'm trending in the direction of the trend. Right now, the price moved away from the EMA, and I'm selling the market to get back to the EMA because at that point I want to lose $4, and this is what I'm doing. If the market comes back to this price, to this stop loss, very good, we won. If the price does the opposite, okay, and we start to earning money like we're doing right now, let's look for this trade. We are talking USD, Euro USD, Euro USD right now. Okay, we are making some money, but it's very temporary. We don't know where the market is going to go. So if the market is going to go uh, for us and we're going to lose money, good, we did well. If the market is going to make us money, that's not good. We're going to do, I'll show you in another trade. Let's pick this trade. Okay, so I bought here. This is the USD CAD. I bought here, and the market kept going in my direction. That's no good. I don't want that. So I waited a little bit, and it moved away, and I bought again. Okay, because I wanted to come to the middle to break even my price. I don't want to make money, but as you can see, the price is so-called fighting against me because it doesn't want to give me the opportunity to lose. So that's not good. I want to lose. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is wait a little bit. If the price gonna go up even more, I'm gonna buy again, and then I move my stop loss to break even. All I want to do right now is to break even. After I wanted to lose money, I'm changing my mindset. All I want to do is break even. Okay, so we'll wait and see. This is the other trades. This is the three places I bought. Okay, right now my hope that it will get to the middle point, the break-even point, and I will get out without any profit or with a slight loss. Okay, let's see if we have another trade. Yes, I have another trade. Okay, that's the way it goes. Okay, you get a point. I'm doing it over and over again. Now I'm not just buying randomly. I have a rule. The rule is that the price have to be away from the this EMA. This is EMA 9. It has to be away from it. Okay, and I have to let the price breathe. Okay, if I at first I bought and my stop loss was here, and then, after it was possible, I've moved my stop loss to a little bit break even or with a slight profit or with a slight loss. It doesn't really matter. Okay, but that's the point. Okay, now that you get the point, I will keep trading that way. By the way, I already have lost. Okay, $51 successfully. Right now I'm in $78 of profit, and that's not good. Maybe it will change. But my goal is to lose all day long. Why I'm talking like this? Why I'm talking like someone's crazy who wants to lose money? Because eventually the market will not let me lose money. Okay, as long as I want to really lose money, the market will not let me. Think about all the times that you wanted to make money with the market and you lost. It's actually 100% of the times that you wanted to make money, you lost. So you have to want to lose money to make money. I said it and I'll repeat it because this is the mindset. The mindset is the most important thing. But by the way, the strategy is not the most important thing. This is the strategy that I'm implying to this mindset. Okay, the mindset, it's more important than the strategy itself. You can change the strategy to something else if you want. On that platform of mindset, I have several strategies, and I'm using each and one of them every once in a while. Depends on the market condition. Okay, so this is another short video just to reveal a little bit about my trading system. I'm also gonna post a full course about this trading system, but just so you get the essence of this trading system, this is the basics. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. As you can see, the systems makes money all the time. The target is to eventually take a huge amount of money. Let's say if I have a $9,000 account, make it 15, $16, $1,600 accounts, and then I'm sorry, yeah, yeah, like a $20,000 account, and then close all my trades and double my account. I don't have to double my account, but I have to make a significant profit. This is the target. Then and only then I will close all the trades. Okay, so it's trying to be a too long video. This is the basics of the trading system. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll show you even more live trades.